On my first project, my hard money lender charged me 16%. Now, I know that rate is outrageous, but it was that loan that gave me the confidence to move forward flipping houses. And here's what I mean. This loan was from a hard money lender in Oregon. I've never even been to Oregon. And the asset manager of this hard money company was some white guy who I've never even met. I don't even know him from a can of paint. And so my point is this: if there was some guy in some random state that I've never even been to, who I've never even met, trust me and my ability to actually close on the house and flip the house and make a profit, if he was willing to trust me, someone that I didn't know, why was I not willing to trust myself, and why didn't I feel confident in myself? And it was me asking myself that and realizing that gave me the confidence to flip my first house. Now, did doubt creep in from time to time? Of course it did, but I didn't let fear stop me. It was my responsibility to prove to them and myself that they made a sound decision. And I remember making about $70,000 on that deal.